Three laborer families were left homeless after a fire destroyed their houses in the Gaurnagar area of Kailasahar in India's northeastern state of Tripura. Local residents said the blaze, believed to have started from an electrical fault, quickly spread through the modest homes. 14 people, including children and elderly members, lost their shelter and personal belongings. In the aftermath, a neighbor, Aftab Ali, opened his home to host the affected families. He also arranged basic supplies, including cooking utensils, bedding, and food, while community members and the Sheikh Foundation delivered additional rations and clothing. Local leaders say such community support reflects long-standing cooperation among residents in the area. Authorities are assessing damage and discussing assistance for rebuilding. For the affected families, recovery will take time, but immediate support from neighbors has provided temporary shelter and essential relief.
ফ্যামিলির ঘরবাড়ি জ্বলে গেছে তো কিছু জিনিসপত্র দেওয়ার লেগে আমার লগে কন্ট্যাক্ট করছেন তো আমি ঠিক আছে সমস্যা নাই সবার সাথে মিলিয়া আমরা কিছু জিনিসপত্র রেডি করছি তাদের দেওয়ার জন্য